Hey YouTube, while I understand you want more videos, I have to mow every week. All of this. So that's why I can't do videos. And I have a small farm, as you guys know. And my buddy's farm. So anyway, I figured you could relax and watch me mow. That's a 1,000,000 views video right there. Welcome to my life. One thing that I didn't tape is all the weeding I have to do. I weeded it yesterday from about 8 o'clock in the morning until about 1:30 in the afternoon. There's a lot of weed eating into this place. You may ask yourself, how's he going to make a video about mowing his grass? Interesting. The answer is, I don't really know yet. Please keep watching. So people are going to ask me why I just blew the drive circle off before I finished mowing. The grass is a little wet. I am mowing early this morning. It rained yesterday in the afternoon. Then the sun came out and kind of burnt most of the moisture off. But it's about to thunderstorm, or supposed to thunderstorm again. And I got to get this grass down because you can see already how tall it is. When you're looking at it, you can't tell, but when you see what a mess it makes, you see how tall it is. So that's why I wanted to blow it off before, if I get caught in a rainstorm, I don't want that grass on my driveway stuck on there, you know what I mean? It's already got a lot of moisture in it. So anyway, that's to all the people that are going to send me notes on why I did that in the middle and stopped, whatever. That's why. Yeah. All right, folks. I didn't make it. I got the front yard done. And it started raining. So I got a couple swipes around the backyard. But it just ain't gonna happen, right? So we'll have to continue this later. It's pouring. Lake looks nice down there, doesn't it? Got her parked up underneath the tree. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put the seat up so it doesn't get too wet. The tractor won't fit in my basement with the mower deck on it. So that's why I take it on and off when I do. But yeah, oh well. So it's been a couple hours. The sun's back up. So we're gonna hit back at it. Get mowing. All right, so my little field's mowed, the front yard's mowed, the backyard's mowed. Now let's go do the lakefront property. no. Crap. All right, tractor's all rested off, ready to be put away. We're finally done. See you next time. Y'all help me out and like and subscribe to my channel, Shots Life, on YouTube.